How to renew your Illinois RN license in 2026. CE requirements, cultural competency, and a simple step-by-step guide. Are you a registered nurse in Illinois with a license expiring May 31st, 2026? This guide breaks down the Illinois RN license renewal process, including all continuing education requirements, cultural competency training, and helpful tips to renew on time. When is the Illinois RN license renewal deadline? In Illinois, RN licenses expire every 2 years on May 31st of even-numbered years. For this current cycle, that means your license must be renewed by May 31st, 2026. How many CE hours are required for Illinois RN license renewal in 2026? To renew your Illinois RN license, you must complete 20 hours of approved continuing education within the 2-year renewal period. These hours must be completed by May 31st, 2026. RenewNow CE offers a complete Illinois RN 20-hour renewal package that meets all requirements and includes the mandatory cultural competency training. There are a total of up to 4 required continuing education hours: implicit bias, sexual harassment, and the new cultural competency 1-hour CE that went into effect for 2025. If you take care of adults aged 26 or over, you are also required to do a 1-hour class on Alzheimer's and dementia. A total of 20 hours are required, and that includes the 4 1-hour required courses. So you would still need 16 hours. RenewNow CE offers a complete 20-hour CE package that covers the sexual harassment course, implicit bias, cultural competency, the Alzheimer's disease and dementia training, and 16 hours of electives. Why choose RenewNow CE for Illinois RN license renewal? RenewNow CE is nationally accredited by the ANCC and a trusted provider for thousands of nurses across the country. Our Illinois CE package is 100% online and self-paced, accepted by the Illinois Board of Nursing, built with short videos for better retention, mobile accessibility with instant certifications, and inclusive of all state-mandated topics. Renew your license with confidence, knowing your education is compliant, convenient, and designed by nurses who understand your needs.